Hey folks, Fox here. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Thanks for asking. I'm assuming you're asking. Anyway, I have been deeply embroiled in a project for the past couple of days, and right now I'm resting my eyes. It's really kind of straining my eyes a bit. So I will flip the camera around and show you what I've been up to. This may take a variety of camera angles. I decided to start working on my big latch hook line. It had just been on my mind. I have it up on the wall in my bedroom. The canvas is up on the wall in the bedroom, and of course, so I see it every day. So yesterday I decided I had to wait around for somebody to come over to the house. And it was a no-show, so I had lots of time to work on this. I didn't want to do anything on the computer. I just wanted to have something I could just quickly put down and go and attend to their needs. But they never showed up, and I doubt they'll show up today. But I wanted to keep going with this because I was kind of in the groove. So this is the color chart for the latch hook. And let's see if I can carry color chart for the latch hook. And what you do, these are all a strand of each color from my packets. And so there's 13 different colors, and they really don't give you a very easy way to determine exactly what color is supposed to go where, except the only thing I figured out was, here it says, okay, Legend of Colors, total strands per pack. So, white has 6 strands per pack. Vanilla has 25 strands per pack. Spice, 61. Caramel has 1 strand per pack. I think that's funny. I guess I should show you the packs. Hang on. Okay, so these are the packs. So yesterday I took apart 1 pack and pulled out all the strands of yarn, counted all the strands of yarn, and I figured, okay, this only has 1, therefore it must be caramel. Obviously this one is white. Obviously this is black. Obviously this one is dark brown. And then for the vague in-between colors, like, let's see. Like something I wasn't exactly sure, honey, dark gold, you know, I kind of went by the sand beige, medium gold. They're all shades of brown, of course, because it's a lion, brown and gold. But, you know, okay, there's one, light brown has 3 strands, so which actually was 8 strands. So, and I just was counting stuff out. And then when I got everything separated in its own little respective piles, I got 13 envelopes. And if you like this idea, go for it, enjoy. I would be very flattered if you stole my idea. It is up for steals. Let me back out. Okay, I used a light color pen, but so okay, this is spice. It is designated on the chart, it's colored in gold, and the symbol for it is an X. Okay, so that's 1. So I colored all the little boxes with an X in it in gold with my colored pencils. Black, okay, all the black, well, the black from that one packet is all in here. And any black was designated on the chart by a black square. So that's all black. And brown, I decided would be shown by in red. So any, and its symbol is, I call that a donut. So the brown is the donut. And you can tell, oh, it doesn't, I didn't really explain. See, this side of the chart on the left. Okay, that's where what I'm working on tells you what color is what symbol. Which symbol represents which color. So, I've spent many hours on this. I am not finished. I have 10 more colors to go. I've done black, gold, red, and I'm finishing up on the blue. And I think this is going to be a piece of art in itself. So you can see I've been coloring in this chart. Let me zoom so you can really see. Okay, so that is what I've been dealing with for the past couple of days. Just coloring in, like, okay, I'm doing blue. See this, the backslash? Any square with the backslash like that gets colored blue. And there's the red donut, that means brown. There's the black square for black. And it all comes together. Eventually it'll be really pretty as my lion. I call him Clarence, after the old TV series Clarence the Cross-Eyed Lion, which when I was about 6 was my favorite show. So I love lions, and I'm a Leo. I'm a cat person. I'm literally a cat person, being a Leo. Sometimes I'm more of a cat than a person. And I'm proud of that too. So there is my Clarence. And I'm thinking when I don't need the chart anymore, I might save it and frame it, because that is really pretty. And it's going to get better as I add more colors too, but even at this point, it's really pretty. Now I'm just walking around because I want to show you side by side of what the rug is actually going to look like. There, see? So that's the chart on the right and the photograph of the rug on the left. So look at all the browns and golds. That is just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So I'm thinking, it's already taken me, I guess, roughly 10 hours to get to this point. And I think, you know, somebody could earn a living at this. Did you know? Here's a business idea for anybody who loves this. Offer a setup, a latch hook setup service. Charge somebody to get their latch hook kit all set up, so all they have to do is hook. None of the organization, none of the prep work. You would do all the prep work, and you could charge them hourly or a flat rate. I would charge $500 to set up somebody's latch hook for them. Something as intricate as this. Of course, you know, this is considered advanced or intermediate/advanced level. This is quite detailed. So, and I can understand. But yeah, I hadn't really thought about all the prep work involved in latch hook, because I'm a knitter. I mean, you grab your sticks and your string and you go. You know, you're there, you're in it. But this is almost like, right now I feel like I'm doing paint by numbers. There you go. Let's see if you can kind of see I wanted to show you so it kind of, isn't that neat how you kind of, it just looks like nothing close up. It looks like, I don't know what, math or something. All of the different symbols. So the chart came just printed in black and white with all these little symbols all over it. No color, just black on white. And I realized that was just begging for trouble with me, and I need to really clarify it. So that's why I decided to do this. So it's really color coded. So eventually, when I have everything colored in, I'll have 13 envelopes with the correct yarn in it, and I can just start setting up where I'm actually going to hook. And I've also got the number of grids counted out. Let's see. It is 130 little squares vertically and 90 horizontally. I like that they've got it like in a grid, like in blocks of 10 by 10 blocks. I like that. That's nice. My little unicorn one doesn't have that, but it's just a little guy. Boy, when I get back to that, it's gonna seem so easy. It'll be a vacation. So what I want to do is get this set up and ready to go, so then when I finish the little unicorn, I can just jump onto this one. And if you look at all the black along the edges. That's got a black border along one side, so I'm probably going to do that first so that I can establish my corners. I'm going to make a border, just the outside boundaries, and that'll help me. And then maybe I'll go row by row, maybe I'll jump around, I don't know. Now I'm not going to get the canvas off the wall, but if you look at the canvas, it is not printed. It is printed, but it's not printed in the colors on the final project. They're doing pretty much what I'm doing, which is to pick out colors that are unrelated to each other so that they will stand out. I mean, you're not going to have light green, medium green, and dark green on this chart. It'll be too confusing. That's why I'm going with primaries and secondaries. That's why I've got the primaries down now: red, yellow, black, and gold or yellow. So I can still use purple, green, yellow, orange, gray, brown. You know, I've still got a lot of pure tints I can use. Aqua, as long as they're just not too close in the color chart, so that I just want to make it as clear as freaking possible. So I've got my beautiful Dick Blick colored pencils, oodles of colors to choose from, and when I put the pencils away, I flip them around so that if I need to go back and color a part in that I missed, I know exactly which shade it was. But because I'm making sure they're not adjacent colors, it wouldn't really matter if I didn't get exactly the right shade of blue or whatever, but still, just to kind of know as a reference what colors I've used. I have them laid out. Yeah, I have them laid out in such a way that, like, this is here's the gold I was using. It's a metallic, so that's easy to spot. And here's the blue I'm almost finished with. But it's nice to have them set aside inside the box so I can see which ones I've used and what colors I can kind of pick out that are going to kind of contrast with each other well, depending on how they're situated in the chart, you know, so if there's two colors that kind of, you know, travel together, they need to be very different from each other. So that's the plan, man. Almost finished with this blue, just almost. So this has been Fox. Have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.